Hello everyone, I am Albert Livingston. In this video, I explained about my data analyst experiment using Python, Pandas, and visual libraries. In the first cell, we used the head to find the first five elements, and the tail we used to find the last elements, five elements. We used the min to describe it, to extract the minimum, maximum, and mean value of the numerical columns. In the five number summary plus box plot, using this shows q minimum. Q1 means median, Q3 is maximum of age. Thus the box plot used to visualize the distributed and detect the outliers. In outlier detection, we correlated in outlier detection, DF age, price, correlate tax, weight, and we correlate each to shows the summary variable are related. Display the future pairs with a high positive and high negative correlation value, excluding dialogues. Here's I identify the most positive and negative correlated futures using this. Correlation of 70%. Correlation is equal to age, price, correlate tax, weight, and correlate the price of the greater than 70%. Strong correlation you are useful for prediction. Skews analysis. The CC columns and calculate the skews. Since the skews is slightly positive, the data is right skewed. Categorical analyze fuel. I used the count plot to show the frequency of each fuel type. This helps to understand the categorical distribution. Continuous analysis age. This swaps the plot and violate the plot to analyze the age distribution. This plot shows the density and spread of the values. Scatter plot. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the age and price. It helps to identify the trends and for patterns. Perform the bivariate analysis between fuel type and age using box plot. It shows the age variation across the fuel category. Performance variant analysis between the fuel type and grease using crosstab and count plot. It analyzes the relationship between fuel type and grease using a chord plot. It helps to understand the category integration. Pair plot is used to visualize the relationship between multiple variables. Fuel type is used as a huge for better comparison. Identify missing values. In the dataset, some are null values and missing values. To identify this, we use this df is null and sum to use the find the missing values. Mean imputation. Replace the missing value with the mean of numerical columns and display the is null sum before after. Drop column missing. The cell removes the column with the more than 10% missing values. This prevents the unreliable data from affected analysis. Remove outlier, z-score. Outlier and z-score. This improves the data quality. Duplicate the percentage. I remove the duplicate rows and compares the data size before that and after. This calculate the duplicate percentage based on the selection. It focuses on the partial duplicates. Removes the subset duplicate. In this step, we remove the subset of the duplication. Z-score normalization. Here I standardize the data using Z-score normalization. It transfers to data to have a mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Label encoding is encoding for categorical future fuel type. This categorical fuel type into numerical label using label encoding. For example, diesel is equal to 0, petrol is equal to 1. One-hot encoding. This I perform a one-hot encoding to convert a categorical data into binary columns. This avoids ordinal relationship in categoricals. Thank you for watching. This is the experiment demonstrated. I completed data processing, visualization and analysis using Python.